Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. This one will be showing you how to make an animated picture or a GIF file using Photoshop. So it's going to go ahead and open up Photoshop. So just let this load up. Alright, now first thing I'm going to say to you is I have a little animation thing down there. I'm just going to quickly untick this so I can show you guys how to get it. First thing we're going to do is create a new project. You can have it whatever size you want. I'm just going to go 200 by 200 because that's a nice size. Alright, so we're going to pick two colors. I've got black and a cyan color. You can simply do that by clicking on the color, the foreground color, and then you can also click on the background color. Alright, so we're going to select the gradient tool, which is here. Now, I'm just going to do it from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to hold down Shift to make a straight line and drag it all the way down. So as you can see, we have that. I'm just going to quickly create a new layer and do the same thing, but going up. Send it sort of like that. Then, I'm going to go over to Window and click on Animation. Remember, this is just a quick demonstration. You can do it however you want. Then we're going to click this little thing over here and go to Make Frames from Layers. So after we have that selected, I'm just going to add a bit of text here. Sorry, I'm a bit laggy, just let that load. So I'm just going to write TQC. Remember, you can write anything you want here. And make sure you have that layer above the others. So then I'm just going to go to the Move tool. And I'm just going to hold down Control and press A. And then I'm going to center this. Oh, oops. So we're just going to center this. And then I'm just going to double click on this layer and we can make the text look however you want. Add a drop shadow, bevel and emboss, contour, add a stroke if you want, just whatever, just get it look nice. Then when you're done, click OK and it'll show the effects that you added down there. So then we're simply just going to hit this little play button and then it'll show you what your animation is like. And as you can see, that's a bit crazy. So we're just going to stop that. And another thing is, if you do the different layers, it'll actually delete the effects. So we're just going to go on to the next frame and add the effects that we added for the other one. Alright, so that's good. So as you can see, we have the same. So then if we play it, it goes like that. But you might not want it to go that fast. So you just want to click on this little thing where it says 0 seconds. Then you can make it, change it. So you can just make it go to 0.5 because they're pretty good. So then it will look more like that. And that looks pretty cool. And you don't have to have it going forever. There's a little option down here. You can just make it go for 3 times, I guess. So you click play, 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. And then, yeah, eventually it stops because look at that. Alright, so then we're going to go, I'm just going to put it forever because it looks the best if it just continuously goes like that. Alright, that's pretty cool. So now, when you're done, we're just going to hit File, Save for Web and Devices. Everything should already be alright as long as you have GIF selected. So then we're just going to, you can resize it or whatever. You can have a preview button down here so you can preview it, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to hit Save. You can save it as whatever. Animation, save it to wherever, but I'm just going to save it to desktop. Exit this. And as you can see, we're going to open this, and here we have it. So that's pretty cool. You can set it as your picture on, like, I don't know, programs. I think you can on YouTube, but it's recommended you don't. But yeah, there you go. You can make banners, etc. You can make the text change instead of the background. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.